Introducing the Optoma ZW521, a powerful 6000 lumen WXGA laser projector designed for business education environments. It delivers bright, reliable performance with efficiency. With an impressive 6000 lumens of brightness, the Optoma Z521 produces clear and vibrant images, making presentations highly visible. The Optoma ZW521 features advanced DuraCore laser technology, providing exceptional image quality requirements while ensuring dependable projection performance. Featuring 1.3 times optical zoom and geometric correction, the Optoma ZW5 flexible installation options, making it suitable for a wide variety of professional environments. Built for demanding applications, the Optoma ZW521 supports continuous 24/7 operation, making it ideal for educational facilities and digital signage environments. Optoma designed the ZW521 utilizing post-consumer recycled materials to help organizations meet environmental responsibility goals. With Optoma Management Suite, administrators can remotely monitor and control multiple projectors from a centralized platform, simplifying device management across organizations. The combination of laser technology, extended lifespan, and maintenance-free operation helps reduce ownership costs while maximizing return on investment for your organization. KBS Enterprises proudly offers the Optoma ZW521 Laser Projector across Pakistan, backed by professional consultation, installation services, and nationwide technical support.